Hello everybody, this is Mitch Patrick Simmons back here with part 5 of our video scripting tutorial in game development in Second Life. And what I've done is, I think we're going to wrap it up with this one. And we're just going to do a little fine tuning. We're going to change a few things around. I've actually already changed a couple of things. We're going to open up, let's see, this is the button script, we don't want that at this point. And what I'm going to do is show you that I've basically just commented out all of those little sleep functions in in our user-defined functions, turning on and off the lights, and then just sort of commented those out because we don't really want that sleep function to happen. Otherwise, I wouldn't have used this set link primitive params fast function. I could have just used the standard old set primitive params function, but the the set link primitive params fast function allows us not to have that normal 0.2 second delay that comes built in with the other function. So that's why I'm using this set link primitive params fast function, so I could show you that, and that's why I put these built-in sleeps. I had to manually put them in where I knew that we were going to, if I had scripted it the other way, we would have had those built in and we wouldn't have had to worry about it. But I just wanted to show you there is a difference. And what I've also done is in the link message, when we get to the button telling us that we're going to actually get to the point where we play the game, what I've done is I've just sort of made this turn off lights, turn on lights function to do 3 times, and then finally ending with turning off the lights. And here I do have the 0.2 sleep functions. I've left those alone, and actually what I'm going to do right now is show you kind of the difference in what happens. So when we press the button, you'll see the lights will blink. All the lights will blink 3 times, and then we'll go into random lights blinking 3 times, and then determining the winner. So here we're going to go press the button here, see blink, 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 and then green, red, green, and so we won. And so we'll try it again. We get blink, 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 red, yellow, red. So we lost. Sorry, try again. And so you can see there's quite a bit of a difference in the way this animates animates the lights. I'm going to just change my settings down to midnight because I think it looks a little better for this tutorial anyways. So press it again. Let's blink, 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 and then we green, red, yellow. Sorry, you lose. Try again, whatever. And so let's go back into this script here, and I'm actually going to take all of these little function commands, and I'm just going to press C, and I'm going to backspace, and I'm going to put them right in the play game function. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste those right in there. We'll kind of line them up. So I'm going to put them up there instead. So that way we kind of free up. So we have that in our user-defined function. We kind of free up this area down here where we might want to add other things in our link message area event handler, and we can easily do that, and we won't have to waste all that space down here where normally where a lot of our programming actually happens. And so we've still we've left this in here. We've just commented that out. That's fine. So I'm going to try to save this here and just show you that that really made no difference from what we had just done. So it's going to do the blink, blink, blink just fine. There we go. Blink, 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 and then yellow, green, red. Okay, sorry, try again. And blink, 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 yellow, yellow, green. Okay, and I've done this a few times. It's actually gone with the same color 3 times, and so I know I'm getting very good randomization just using this little, kind of a list hack randomization instead of mathematically programming it to do that. And yep, yellow, yellow, green. So you can come up with many combinations here. Yellow, red, green. So you know, you can tell you're getting good randomization. So we just had yellow, yellow, yellow. That's happened with red, 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 green, green, green as well. And so let's see how much time we got left here. Okay, 5 minutes. We're about halfway. I've got to be conscious of the time, unfortunately, while I'm using this Bandicam software until I get the other problem resolved with my other program. So we're going to go back into the button script here, and I wanted to show you something, as we fine-tune more of this stuff here. Now, we're changing states, and I've already explained why we're changing states, so that we don't have another player coming up and sort of taking over or ruining something. We can only have one player at a time, and we want to make sure that that player finishes his play or her play and before somebody else comes in. And so what we're doing in this little message linked from our touch start here is we're sending it to the root prim, and we're sending the player key. But up until now, we weren't really using that information for anything. So if we go back into the main script here, you can see up at the top I have added the key player as a global variable, and so when we get our linked message, we can actually use that information to do something else. So when we play the game, let's say, okay, we're going to congratulate the player by name, and so we're just going to put a space right here after congratulations. We're going to end that with a quote. We're going to add LL key to name player, and then add, and we're going to put a quote there. So now it's going to tell the player by name that they have won or lost, because we're going to put this right down here in the sorry, try again. We're going to just copy and paste that, so we're going to say sorry, player name, try again. And so let's go ahead and save that, see if that will compile and do what we want it to do. I think it will, if I can get this thing done in time. So we're going to go ahead and press the button, tell us, Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons is playing. We get green, red, red, and sorry, nope, try again. Okay, so for some reason, we're not getting that information. We're not getting that key player information, and you know why? Is because, oh, this is the wrong script. This is the button scripts. Let's go back into okay, so what's happened here is I haven't defined the player name yet, and that's why. So what we have to do is we have to say player right down here in the link message event equals ID. Okay, because the key ID, okay, this parameter right here, this key, is going to be coming from the button. It's going to have the key already programmed in there, and we're just going to assign it to this global variable here in this script that we've called player. And so if we save this and let that compile, and everything should work fine. So we'll press the button. Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons is playing. Green, red, red. Sorry, Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons, try again. So we've got now a kind of a personalized message. And okay, I got 1 more minute, and we can do this again. So we'll say Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons is playing, and then if I press the button again, remember it said, well, I didn't do it in time. But let's go ahead and, yeah, so it's congratulating me or telling me, sorry, try again by name. And we're going to press the button here. I'm going to press it again before it gets done. Remember, we had that sorry, Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons, but Miss Patrick Fitzsimmons is already playing. Please wait your turn. So that still works as well. So we're kind of fine-tuning our scripts. And let's see how much time I've got. 37 seconds. So one more thing I wanted to do was to kind of define a global list to our prim color, different colors here, but I'm going to have to wait until the next video to do that. So please stay tuned, and we'll catch you next time.